afternoon, dear children. Today we are going to study about the topic air around us. Okay, chapter 15, page number 147. Okay, take page number 147. We all know about air, right? Without air, we can't live. Like water, without air, we can't live. All living things require what? Air to breathe, right? Then, if you keep a book in a table and switch on a fan, mean what happened? The book fluttering, right? It moves because of what? Air from fan, right? Then here is one activity. Let us make a Ferki of our own with paper, right? Hold the stick of the Ferki and place it in different direction in open area. What will you observe while keeping that in an open area? Because of air, it rotates. Likewise, weather clock. See the picture, it is a weather clock. It shows the direction because of what? Air present around us. Because of air, it shows the direction. Okay. Then the next topic is air present everywhere and around us? We know that, right? Air present everywhere around us. Here also one activity. Activity 2. Take a empty 2 bottles, okay? It is really empty or does it have something inside? Check it, okay? Then turn it upside down. Is something inside it or not? Then dip the open mouth of the bottle into the bucket filled with water as shown in figure. See the figure 15.4. Observe the bottle. What happened then? The water now enters the bottle. Then there may be some bubbles coming from the out of the bottle and also bubbly sound also coming from that water. Okay, then the bottle was not empty at all. Okay, because it filled with what? Air. So only the bubbles are arising from the water. Bubble sounds are arising from the bottle. Okay, then our earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air. This layer extends what? Many kilometers above the surface of the earth. What we call that is atmosphere. Okay, our earth is surrounded by a thin layer of air. This layer extends what? Many kilometers above the surface of the earth and it is called what? Atmosphere. Okay, then what is air made up of? Okay, in 18th century people thought that air was just one substance. But in experiment they proved that it really not so. Okay, air is a mixture of many gases. Okay, air is not a substance, it is a mixture of gases and also water vapor. Then about water vapor, air contains what? Water vapor. Okay, we also saw that water, when air comes in contact with the cool surface, what happened? It condenses and drops of water appear on the cooled surface. The presence of water vapor in air is important for water cycle in nature. Okay, water vapor is very important for water cycle, right? In the cool surface it condenses and become as a drop. Okay, then about oxygen. Oxygen, they have given one example activity for oxygen. Okay, activity 15 point, figure 15.6, activity 3. Okay, here fix two small candles of same length on a table. See the picture ma, we want to fix what? Two candles on a table of equal length. Then light both the candles. Then cover the candle with a inverted glass tumbler. Then observe the candle carefully. Okay, what you observed from that? The covered candle with glass tumbler got extinguished after some time, whereas other candle continue burning. Right? What is the reason for that? The candle got extinguished because the component inside of the glass tumbler which support what? Burning is limited. Because of that it is limited. But the burning candle continued supply of air. So this component of air which supports what? For burning. Because of air it get burning. So it is known as what? Oxygen. Okay. Then about carbon, nitrogen. Okay. First we study about oxygen, then about nitrogen. Okay. The same activity, the presence of some components in air which does not support burning is called what? Which does not support burning candle is called what? Nitrogen. Because of nitrogen only it does not support the burning candle. Okay. So it is called what? Nitrogen. Because of air the candle is burning. So it is called what? Oxygen. If there is no air which does not support burning candle is called what? Nitrogen. Then about carbon dioxide. Here also they have given one example. Okay. If you are sitting in a closed room, if there is some material is burning, what happened? You felt suffocation, right? Well, it is inconvenient to breathe, right? This is due to what? Excess of carbon dioxide present in that room. Okay, it is a closed room, so only the carbon dioxide is filled with the closed room. Okay, then carbon dioxide makes up a small component of air around us. So plants and animals consume what? Oxygen for respiration and produce what? Carbon dioxide. Plants and animal also consumes what? Oxygen on burning and produce what? Mainly carbon dioxide and other gases. Okay, then the next topic is dust and smoke. What is meant by dust and smoke? We know that, right? The burning of fuel along also produce what? Smoke. If burning of anything is produced or called what? Smoke. Smoke contains what? Few gases and fine dust particles, is often harmful also. Okay. Then activity 4. You maybe observe that if you are in a find a sunny room in your school, what happened? All the doors are and windows are closed. Okay. Now open the door or a window facing the sun. Just a little. What happened? There will be what? It allows sunlight to enter the room. Now look carefully. What happened? There may be tiny shining particles moving in the beam of sunlight. Okay, it is dust. Okay, because it is moving in around us. We don't know that, right? Because of sunlight, we easily visible by our eyes. Okay, dust particles are easily visible to our eyes. Okay, then in the last we are concluding that what? Air contain gases, water vapor and also dust particles. Okay, the gases in air contain what? Mainly nitrogen, oxygen, small amount of carbon dioxide and many other gases also present in the air. Okay, we are concluding that air contains these. Then here is on figure 15.9, composition of air. They have given percentage for the composition of air. Air contains mostly nitrogen. See the picture. Air has mostly nitrogen and oxygen. In fact, two gases also. Okay, the remaining 1% is constituted by carbon dioxide and few other gases and water vapor. Okay, then how is the oxygen in the atmosphere replaced? How is oxygen in the atmosphere replaced? In this process, plants make their own food and oxygen is produced along with it. Okay, plants also consume what? Oxygen for respiration, but they produce what? More of them they consume. Okay, that is why we say plants produce oxygen. Okay, they consume oxygen for respiration, so only we are saying that plants produce oxygen. Then animals cannot live without plants. The balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere is maintained through what? Respiration of plants and animals. Okay, then figure 15.12. What we see in that figure, it is a windmill. What is the purpose of windmill? It rotates. The wind makes the windmill to rotate. Right? The windmill is used to draw water from tube wells and to run floor mills, and also windmills are also used to generate what? Electricity. We know that, right? Then air help in the movements of sailing yachts, gliders, parachutes and also aeroplane. Okay, birds, bats and insect can fly due to the presence of air. Then also air helps in the dispersal of seeds and pollen of flowers of several plants. Because of that there are many several plants. Because of air this happens. Then air plays an important role in water cycle also. Okay, because of water vapor the air plays an important role. Okay, that's all about today's topic. Thank you.